Hey guys, today I wanted to show you these wireless microphones. So first I'm going to show you what's inside. Also, it says that these are great for live shows or interviewing or short or long vlogs or videos. So first, this is the bag it comes in. It's super small. It's like the size of my hand, which is super nice if you want to take it around. So everything that it comes inside is right here. So first, it has a 3-in-1 receiver, it has a USB-C lightning, and then this, which you could put an adapter to put into a camera. Then it comes with the 2 puffs. These are good for if there's lots of wind, it'll reduce the noise and focus better. And then it comes with the charger, and it has 2 heads like this. And then these are the transmitters. It comes with 2 different ones. So now I'm going to show you how to connect them and how they sound. Okay, so all I did is put the receiver into my phone, and I held the power button for like 3 seconds. It lit up, so I knew it was on. This is the microphone. This is where you speak in, and it also has clip to attach. It has the power button that you also turn on, and then volume up and volume down. So I'm going to show you. It works from super far, so if you're vlogging and you don't want the camera person to follow you, you can go far. And then also if it's you're outside and it's windy, you could put these little puffs on top. They're just like a little click. So if you're looking for any microphones that are super nice for vlogging or making videos, then I would definitely recommend trying these.